Hi guys, welcome back to Kanto Housewife. Today we are doing a special episode of gift opening from my work bestie Tiffany. And first is a very cute suitcase for my sons for our future travel. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Super duper cute. It's R2D2. Okay, so this is from Tokyo Disneyland. This one also from Tokyo. Look at the bag. It's a shopping bag. Oh my god, this is too cute. I'm gonna wrench 99 with this. Disney slippers. My favorite Minnie Mouse. Thank you for wrapping it this nice. I feel bad for like ripping the paper, but that's the best part. Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm gonna wear this all day. It's the Disney Mickey, a mini apron. Alright, I'm gonna change it. Exciting! Let's see, this one. Nice box. Oh my god, guys. It's a Baymax rice cooker. No, rice cooper. Oh, exciting, exciting. You know me, Tiff. Am I getting so spoiled? Let's open this part. Aha! I think this one might be for Richard. Is a Stormtrooper bottle. He has been actually thinking about getting this. Whisky? This is too cute. Super gentle. It's a whiskey glass with the Stormtrooper on it. Oh my god, super cute. Two of them. I'm gonna make my latte in this. Even though it's like for Richard. There is the tip and the bottle. Oh my god, this is so nice. Thank you, Tiff. And that is on the size. Oh, the whiskey ice. Whiskey stone. I think that's what it's called. It's very cute. Tray.
Looks like the Michelin Man. The fat tire dude.
Thank you, Tiff. This gift totally made my day, and thank you so much. I feel lucky to have such a wonderful friend like you. Alright, that's it for today's video. Let me know which of the birthday gift is your favorite. Don't forget to check out my playlist, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!